What's your name?
My name is Dimei.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm also good. How old are you?
I'm sick?
Do you like cake?
Yes.
How many fingers do you have?
10 finger.
Have you got sister?
Yes.
Okay. What are these?
Left
What are these?
finger.
What are these?
Eye.
What are these?
Ear.
Ears. Okay. Who is he?
Dad.
Who is she?
Mum.
Who is she?
Sister.
Who is she?
Grandma.
Okay. What food is it?
Pizza. Ice cream. Banana. Sandwich.
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 Very good. What number is it?
16.
16.
15. 17. 18. 19.
Very good. What sound is it? S- Sofa.
Sofa. Up. Huh? Yogurt.
Okay, point to the ball. Point to grandma. What shape is the ball?
One.
What shape?
Circle.
Very good. How many dogs are there? How many? Two or one? How many?
One.
Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.